What I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to assemble the stick. So um, the stick comes in two parts. There's this part that slides onto this part, and then that part right there is going to hook into, tap off here, the bottom of this piece that we just fixed. All right, so that's what we're going to do next, is we're going to essentially insert this piece into the other piece. All right, so to do that, we are going to go to our tools, our assembly tools, and we are going to look for a fastened mate. Now the reason we're choosing fastened is because we want to make sure that this thing stays put, like it doesn't move. We want it to be inserted in and just left there. So in order to do this, we need to select our two entities. So I'm going to get the top of this circle. So when I tap on that circle, it pulls up that, and then I actually have to tap again right there in the center for it to know, okay, it's going to choose that centerpiece as the connecting point. And then you'll notice up here that lock has been chosen. I actually want to unlock that because I need to still move around. And it does that every time I do an assembly component, it's going to lock it. So I really have to do a good job of paying attention to that and hitting unlock when I want to turn my view and stuff like that. All right, now inside of here, we want to get that very end circle right there, and I want to get the center of that. And you'll see when I do that, it's going to connect it this way. Well, obviously I don't want it to connect that way. I want it to connect the other way. So I'm going to switch directions. And now that thing is in there. I'm going to tap on the lock and just look at it, make sure I feel like this is appropriately sized. Yep, looks like it's perfect the way it's supposed to be. So I'm going to hit check mark. And there is my first piece.